Today we will discuss how to compute the inverse of a matrix and then how to calculate the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a matrix. So let's start. First of all, inverse of a matrix. First we import the NumPy library as np, then define a matrix A np dot array round bracket first row, then second row, and thus after defining the matrix which is order 2 by 2, then our task to calculate its inverse. And let's define a variable a underscore inv is equal to apply np dot lin alg dot inverse of a, which is used to calculate the inverse of given matrix. Then print the inverse of given matrix A, then assign a underscore in, and then run the code. And here is error because there is square bracket, there is missing one square bracket because we did not properly define the matrix. No. And this is the inverse of given matrix A, and thus similarly we can easily calculate the inverse of a matrix with higher order. So let's take 3 2 and write another matrix, a row of matrix, and then thus we calculate the inverse of another matrix. So and we know that the matrix inverse of diagonal matrix is equal to the matrix of elements of that matrix divided by. So this is the inverse of diagonal matrix. Let's take it as 2 and 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So thus that our diagonal matrix is 1.25.5, and thus this command np dot link alg dot in bracket the given matrix is used to calculate the inverse of given matrix. After that we discuss how to calculate the eigenvalues of given matrix. For that let's take this matrix as it is, and the eigenvalues is equal to np eigenvalues is equal to np dot lin alg dot eig matrix A, then print eigen values of given matrix A is Eigen values, and we get the eigenvalues as well as it also gives us the eigenvalues and gives the corresponding eigenvectors also. Mhm. And we can sign this as eigenvectors, and we easily get the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So these two are the eigenvalues and these are the eigenvectors, and to simplify it, let's take this simple matrix, because we know that the sum of eigenvalues is equal to the sum of diagonal elements of given matrix. So let's take the eigenvalues are 1 and 4, means that 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and these are same, and product of eigenvalues is equal to the determinant, and the determinant of a matrix is equal to 4, and after multiplying two eigenvalues we get the same values as we get by calculate the determinant. So in simple words, we easily calculates the eigenvalues using this syntax, that is np dot lin lag l dot ieg and given matrix, and for similarly we easily calculate the eigenvalues and eigenvectors for a matrix which has order 3. Because the eigenvalues of a diagonal matrix is the same as the elements of diagonal, and so that we get the eigenvalues 1, 4 and 5. Similarly, by changing the elements, our eigenvalues are remain same, but eigenvectors are changes. Let's take this 1, 3, and we can see that eigenvalues are now in complex plane, where j represent the imaginary part of the complex numbers, and thus we can easily calculate the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a given matrix. And thus we would discuss in this section first how to calculate the inverse of a matrix, and then how to calculate the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of given matrix.